Feeling drained, don't know what to do. Wife 39 me, M 39. 12 years together, 10 years married, got 2 children, and I feel already drained. I am not perfect, I have my ups and downs, had some rough years in my life, but lately feeling like I am about to give up. No misunderstanding, please. I am not here for pettiness or to feel sorry, just need an advice. Starting to feel as failed father, husband, and individual. In the beginning was alright, here and there argues, but nothing serious, but last few years is really getting worse. Almost 3 years ago got diagnosed with cancer. Thank God made it out after almost 2 months laying in hospital and complications where I had to go under surgery again. Had to stop with work, since then still at home. Not feeling ready yet. Having a lot of troubles with stomach, fingers, also no feelings after chemo, but I am still happy I got a second chance. Used to work a lot. Now trying to spend more time with my family feels good. Since I am not working, I am doing home chores, cooking, cleaning, laundry, kids drop/pick at school, trying my best and what I can do. I feel okay with it. It's for my family and happy to do it. As I said, probably I am not easy to live with neither, but I am trying my best. Don't know how it started, but for sure know since our first child is born everything changed. I am open person who likes to crack a joke and is nothing like about looks or something to offend anyone, or my wife, God forbid, but just normal jokes. She finds them funny, but get insulted that I am overdoing it. Okay, I respect her expression and I stop with it. Later she gets mad at me that I'm not talkative, where I fear I might say something that might hurt her feelings. She got her short work jacket. She had to order it via coworkers. It was mistakenly ordered not female size but male size. She asked me about opinion, and all I said it might shrink in was, and then will fit. She burst and started to sort of yell as, yeah, one of PPL I work with, it is impossible to talk to you. When I moved to her country and started learning her language, Dutch is also known to be difficult language, and when I didn't understood something I ask, and if I don't understand she replies again with answer but in the way of half yelling and kinda get it on with it. When I told her I don't feel comfortable with reply, she denies the way she replied, where I decided not to ask her about anything again. We wanted to buy a home, and I said to her, let me get better, and hopefully by next year get a job, and we can definitely look for something because lately since Corona prices went skyrocket. I told her, okay, should we start also saving now better than going to vacations, so we can start budget for a house. She got mad. I am getting also 60% of income, sort of invalid income. I understand she needs rest, vacation too, but without sacrifice you cannot build much. My father got misdiagnosed with cancer, went to check on him, he lives in another country. When I came back we had same discussion about the house and my response was same. Her answer was, you went on vacation 2 weeks to your parents. About the house I found few years back while I was healthy and good financially, I spoke to her about buying it. She refused because it was not close where we rent now, cost of school and her mom, it is just like 8 kilometers away. Now she wants to buy in the same area where I suggested but no more houses, and she was stressed about it. Older child had some troubles with mathematics at school where she had to repeat her year just because of one subject. I started following YouTube videos and also some other sites to learn about mathematics so I can help. When I ask my child to start exercise/practice like 10x must beg for it and start to get annoying. My wife gets mad at me that I am being mad at my kid, sorry, for trying to be a push father to help a child. Trying to give a push to my daughter so she can learn better because most of time she says I feel lazy or tired doing it. So I began with an option to my children. You don't want to listen such. Study, clean after your toys or mess you made. I throw them in garbage. It might sound rough in this decennia but must teach them a lesson that must also learn to listen, clean after themselves. This is the age where now they are taught, better now than later, having issues with behavior. She get mad at me. I am not a smoker, not a drinker, not going outside partying, even with my buddies. I like to spend my time at home, reading something, with my kids, especially with my daughter playing video games than hanging out with my friends. I know this sound here as a nagging husband and I know I am not perfect, but God is my witness, I am trying the best for my family. Since a year starting to consider a divorce, and honestly while I am writing here it hurts me and feeling like my throat is choking just to think about it, but I am tired. I love my family. I love my kids, but I hope that I just can get better and find a job and move out and see what's best for me and my children.